Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, all different stores. Love to find the deals, sales, our stuff I need, all that. So if you like shopping, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. Trust me. So today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. This is from multiple stores, multiple locations. I found so many new goodies, so I'm so excited. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you like shopping, and let's jump right into it. So first off, I did get another set of these gel highlighters and pens. I just love these. So got another set of those. And if you see my hair, it's because I have a fan next to me because it's like in the 90s and unbearable. So if you, yeah. Anyway, but these are new. These are by Ink. It's a scented perfume dual-ended highlighters, peach and lemon scented. So I think these are really cool actually. So we got peach and lemon, and then we got strawberry and blueberry. So these are super fun. So we got those, and I love journaling and like note taking. So that's what I'm gonna use those for. Then we got some new jelly pencil pouches from the back to school collection. Now you can use these as anything. These are like sturdy though. So we got this color, it's like a light blue and the pink. Then we got the light pink with like the purple. I can't believe how sturdy these are, like heavy. Then we got the light blue with like the turquoise zipper, like that. Then the last one is light purple with like the pink orange zipper. So these are super fun. I cannot wait to like makeup, travel, whatever in there. So for $1.25, definitely a great find. Then got these little 2-pack of Reese's socks, and you get 2 pairs, and this fits shoe sizes 6 to 12. So yeah, so you get this pair and then this pair. So 2 for $1.25, and they are stretchy. So yeah, so we got those. Then, with the back to school collection, how cute is this cat notebook? Like, are we kidding me? And I feel like you can like carry it around, I don't know. So, it is literally adorable. These have like the cat ears and stuff, whatever. So, got this little notebook. Then, I got these little sticky notes. Like, are we kidding? How cute are these? So it's like an alien, a star, and a spaceship. And sticky notes, I always use sticky notes, so super fun find. Then I did get another 2-pack of these shoe charms because I use these on my Walmart Vogue bag. So I just got those. Then we got some mini composition notebooks. So this set I did haul already, but I got another pair just because they're so cute. Let's Go Girls, cowgirl boots, and all that. So I did haul this one already, but got another one because it's adorable. And then the flowery ones, which I will open because, I don't know, if you guys want to see what's in there before you buy it, I will show you what's in them. I'll be the guinea pig for these notebooks. But I still think a pack of 3 for $1.25 is still a fantastic deal. Especially with like the cute little prints, you know. So, comment down below what your favorite back to school item is to get, or even if you're not in school, like your favorite item to buy or look for. I don't know. So here's a 3-pack. So you get this one, this little polka dotty one, and then this one. So for $1.25 for 3 notebooks, it's super fun. And I will open this Let's Go Girls one, the cowboy boot, just in case you did not see my other video, which I definitely recommend you go watch, by the way. But, so, Let's Go Girls, stripes, and the little boots and stuff. So, yeah, great finds, great for journaling, whatever. So, then we got these Sour Patch Kid headphones. I don't know why they're wired. I know, okay, that's not why. They're wired, but I don't know why I was so obsessed with these, but I had to have them. So we got these little Sour Patch Kid headphones. Adorable. Then, my favorite scrunchies of all time. I wanted to restock because I'm making a gift bag with these. So we got the leopard, black, and tan. And then, and then polka dot, brown and purple. $1.25, fantastic deal. Don't sleep on those. Then, we got some candles. So how cute are these? Spring scented glass candle. This one is the more lemony one, yeah. So super cute. So we have this one, and then this one is my favorite. It doesn't tell you like the scent or whatever, but this one's my favorite. Yeah, it's like, I don't know, I can't tell, but not even for like the candle parts, just aesthetically these are so cute. But yeah, super fun. And they did have a lavender, but I'm allergic to lavender, so I stay away from lavender constant. Then got these little elastics, and you get 3 like spirally ones. And then this one is new. I've never seen these 2 before. So super fun, and it's summer, my hair is constantly up, so super cute. Then by Eco Tools, I finally found it, so I was all over TikTok. It is the Eco Tools Rose and Charcoal Infused Facial Cleansing Sponges. So Eco Tools and 2 for $1.25, fantastic deal. So got those. Then by Spa Ash, got the Lip Plumper Gloss. I love this one because it's like the red, like little, gem, and I think it is so adorable. So that's what she looks like. And then just, normal plumper. I like that little thing with the hole in it. And it's like the little diamond on it. Super fun, super cute. Then the Shea Butter Lipstick in After Party. I love this one because it has the glitter inside it. Sparkly red. And I love this one. And I never see it anymore. So I was like, yes. Like, I don't know if you can see the sparkles. Yeah, you can. So, super cute. Love that. Then, oldie but a goodie. This is the Beauty Intuition Moisturizing Soothing Caramel Macchiato Lip Balm. I never, ever, ever remember seeing the Caramel Macchiato. So when I saw it, I immediately threw it in my cart. Because, how cute is that? Like, are we kidding? Oh yeah. It smells so good. So, with the little Caramel Macchiato. Make sure the lid's on. I don't need it. The lid flying off in my makeup drawer. Okay. Then, this is new by Spa Scriptions. It's the Fruit Glow Pink Grapefruit and Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Eye Balm. Awaken and brighten dark circles. Like, first off, look at the packaging. How cute is the packaging? But we have that. I really just love the packaging though. So we're gonna open her up. The illuminating eye balm. Like, are we kidding? I remember seeing like eye serum and stuff like that, but never eye balm. So this is what she looks like. Pretty big like packaging. And then it just looks like this, like a little. Oh, it smells so good. So a big little, package, $1.25. Fruit Glow, I guess maybe that's a new collection. So, super fun. So we got her. Then, the rest of this haul, I finally found some of the Glow Getter collection. I'm stoked. So, first off, we have the Own Your Glow Optimus Glow Berry Bliss Skin Soothing Calm Refresh Facial Spray. So, that's what the packaging looks like. Super cute. And we're going to open it because I'm curious to see. Now, they didn't have all the collection, so we'll see, hopefully. So, Optimus Glow Berry Bliss, that's what it looks like. Then, we got the Ocean Dew Skin Soothing Spray. So Ocean Dew and Berry Bliss. So I'm excited. I love the packaging too. It's kind of really bougie. So then we got the Soft Liquid Lip and Cheek Blendable Natural Finish in Java Apple. And I'll open these at the end. We have Java Apple. Then we have the Soft Liquid Lip and Cheek in Apricot. So Apricot. Then I'm trying to, here we go. Same thing, Lip and Cheek in Dragon Fruit. Then Glossy Lip Balm in Grapefruit. Super cute. Glossy Lip Balm, here we go. Glossy Lip Balm in Pomegranate, which I'm most excited for probably. Pomegranate. Then the Fruit Extract Lip Glaze in Peach. Super cute. Which is Lip Oil, Gloss Hybrid, Lightweight, Hydrating, Perfection. Or Extract, I don't know what I said. Then we have the Lip Glaze in Green Apple. Then the last one is in Grape, the Lip Glaze. Now, let's open all this. Okay, this one is Dragon Fruit. So we're going to swatch. Oh, I love that. So that's cheek and lip. And that is Dragon Fruit. Super fun. Then Java Apple, which I'm definitely most excited for, I think. Definitely more like pinky shade. So, super cute. Oh, it definitely smells like Java Apple too. So that's Java Apple. Then Apricot. Oh, this smells good too. So that's Apricot. So super, super smoothing, guys. Literally. Yeah, so that's Apricot. And those are the Lip and Cheek. Then, now we just have the Lip Glaze. And how cute is the packaging? So, oh, look how cute that is. It's just glitter. Put on my lip. Okay, that's a really glittery. It's really dry, but really glittery. And that is, grape. It does not taste like grape, though. But, yes, it does. When you rub it in, it's definitely grape. And there's what it looks like, too, on the side. But yeah, so that's grape. It's all over me. Then this one is peach, which I'm definitely most excited for, the peach one. And this one's like clear, no glitter. Oh, that is extremely peachy, which I'm not complaining. Oh, that is so soothing. And that one's clear. That's the peach. It's definitely clear. But this one is definitely my favorite, so that's peach. And then we have green apple, which, again, is clear. Oh, yeah. Definitely taste green apple on that one, too. And again, it's just clear, so. But this one definitely tastes like green apple. I love that. So that's green apple. Then, Then we have the Glossy Lip Balm in Pomegranate. A little heart. I guess you just turn it like that. Okay, and this is just pure red, which we'll try up here. Yeah, that's pure red. So, super cute. There it is, pomegranate. Definitely, it's kind of really drying, though, compared to everything else. That's pomegranate. And this one, look, it's a little cat. This is grapefruit. So, I definitely like the color. Okay, that is definitely more pinky. But these are definitely more drying. But that's grapefruit. Or no, what is this? Grapefruit, yeah. Grapefruit. So these ones are definitely more drying. And these, like the cheek and lip tints are definitely so much more glossy. Like, oh, my hair, no. Like, these are all the cheek and lip in that. But yeah, that's the swatches. That's everything on my lips. But I definitely love this everything on my lips. But I definitely love this collection. I hope to find the rest of it. But that completes my haul. Oh, So I definitely hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, what I should be on the hunt for, and all of that. And definitely subscribe and share the channel. And all these lip glosses are definitely glossy on my lips. But definitely subscribe, share the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.